Hello guy, it's so nice to come back again for unboxing video. As usual I am about to do unboxing Dragon Ball figure. As you can see we have Super Saiyan Goku from Banpresto, Jump 50th anniversary figure. Honestly this figure was on my list, I have been looking for this since 2 years ago. This figure comes in 3 pieces, the upper, the lower body and the support. What I am very concerned about this figure is the sculpting. I think this figure is very iconic because the first time Goku turned Super Saiyan, he faced against Frieza. It was a memorable moment for Dragon Ball fans. They did a fantastic job with this figure. They captured Goku likeness very well. The paint application is done very good enough, but they didn't put some battle damage on the backside. For shadings, they didn't do much with those, especially lower body and the backside. This figure stands about 21 centimeters. Standing with Frieza bootleg. Standing with Son Goku resolution of soldier. Standing with perfect cell dramatic showcase. Overall this figure is very amazing with very nice sculpting and very nice pose. The painting is good enough, maybe they didn't put some shadings. And also the battle damage on the backside are almost nothing. This depends on how you position your figure. Okay, thank you so much everybody for watching. See for another unboxing video. There will come some new figure for coming week. Stay tuned guys.